Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up and use Square appointments in 2025. Whether you are a freelancer, small business owner, or service provider, Square appointments can help you manage your bookings, send reminders, and even get paid all in one platform. Let's dive in. With Square appointments, you get everything you need to run a smooth appointment based business, plus it integrates seamlessly with Square payments, which makes managing finances even easier. Let's start by setting up your account. To get started, head over to squareup.com and sign up for a Square account. Click on Get Started for sign up. Enter your working email address, then select your password, strong password, and select your language and click on I agree to Square terms and privacy policy and sign consent, then create content. Or already have a Square account, click sign in button from here and enter your existing email, then click continue and enter your password and click sign in. Make sure your business details, name, address, and payment information, as this will be essential for booking and payments. Now that you are logged in, let's set up your services. In your Square appointment dashboard, go to settings, from left sidebar, then click services, and here you will add the different services you offer. You can set the service name, duration, and price. Enter all the details for each service you offer, like the duration, price, and any notes for the customer. This helps when clients book online because they will see exactly what they are choosing. Next, let's set up your staff and their schedule. If you have a team, go to staff. Under settings, you can add staff members here and assign them to specific services. You can also set up their working hours, which will be visible to clients when they book appointments. Be sure to customize their availability to avoid double booking, and if any staff member has a specific time off, you can add that as well. Now, let's get your clients booking appointments online. In Square Appointment Dashboard, navigate to Online Booking. Here you can customize your booking page with your business logo, colors, and a welcome message. You can even set up a custom URL like your business.square.site for easy access. This makes it simple for your customers to book appointments directly from your website or social media. Square appointments also helps You manage your client under the Clients tab. You can add or view customer details. You can track their appointment history, send personalized reminders, and even and follow up messages and their appointments. Automated reminders are super helpful because they reduce no shows. You can set reminders via text or email, and you have to the option customize how far in advance the reminder should be sent. Now let's talk about payments. Square Appointments integrates perfectly with Square Payments. You can accept credit cards, debit cards, and even mobile payments like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Go to the payment section in the settings menu and link your Square account. When a client books an appointment, you can also choose whether charge them a deposit upfront or at the time of appointment. Once appointments start rolling in, you can manage them directly from your Square Appointments dashboard. You can view upcoming appointments, reschedule them, and even can or even cancel if necessary. If you need a reschedule, simply click on the appointment, choose a new time, and Square will automatically notify your client of your charge. Square Appointment also gives you in-depth reports. You can view earnings, track appointments over time, and uh, see which services are most popular. These insights help you make data-driven decisions and optimize your schedule for maximum efficiency. And that's it. Square Appointments is a powerful tool for managing your bookings, um, accepting payments, and keeping your clients happy. I hope this tutorial helped you get set up and start using the platform. If you found this video helpful or useful, don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.